about to do some liquid EPDM today. They say not doing an aluminum roof, but I think it'd be alright compared to the fucking, look at this. Looks like they got silicone. Just a big strap of silicone, which is not good at all. Look at that, guys. That's just gross. That's probably why I got the small little leak in there and I gotta repair. But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna mess around, clean up this vent.
Go ahead.
And take this vent off. And see what we got over here, because I'm popping these two vents off because I got new ones coming in. So we'll pop off these max air vents and see what we're working with under here. Alright guys, as you can see, this thing's ripped, and look at this. Oh man, I can poke through it with my hand, it's so soft. Yeah, I'm gonna work on taking this vent out because I got a new one supposed to be in any time today. Oh man. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pop this off. Looks like I gotta break the seal on the outside here with all these little screws. I hope I have the head on me. If not, I might have to run back to my house. Get the correct head. Let me pop out the screws from the inside to pull this stuff apart, and it'll probably help me a little easier getting this out. Pretty much ready to take this off. I just need to. Look at that, that's just butt, man, that's ugly. Definitely glad I ordered the new one. Got my buddy Jake over here messing with these bolts. The aluminum roof, it looks like they used liquid EPDM up here before. But keep it real with you, this was done by Camper World on the receipts, because I got receipts saying who did it and when. Look at this, they just put this foam shit here, it looks like. I can always replace that myself with some new cheap foam. Yeah, they said Camper World replaced it on this receipt around 2007. They said that there's a pool of water puddling around this area and that they can't really do nothing because it's made to run off. I think most likely a beam may be broken in here, but then again, I'm not really sure. If anything, I'm just gonna coat the shit out of it like I did before, and it will last. Yard. And it looks like it cracked and went there. Yeah, this vent's ugly, man. This shit was letting water in. I'll keep it real with you guys. This was the vent that was keeping water in. Yo! Come on, man. We don't need waters up here, dude. What are you playing games for? It's alright.
He's a game player.
What I'm doing is, I got my LA Totally Awesome. Water always cooled. Oh, it's here around here. If you almost dropped LA's Awesome. LA Awesome's really good though. It's not really that.
Is it bad for the ozone layer?
No, it's good for it.
Bad for the environment?
Pretty much gonna do this to the whole roof, all the way down and around. Rinse it and then take off these vents, prep the area, re-rinse it, and then let it dry completely.
My camera skills. Crazy, bro. Yeah, you did.
Alright, thank you, Jake. Should be straight. Got my liquid EPDM. My next plan is to say hello to my beautiful girl. Hello, beautiful girl. My next plan is to get these vents off. After I power wash this roof off really nice, after I power wash it off really nice, I'm gonna get the liquid rubber laid on. My vent should be in soon, man. I really hope they come in and they just drop it off. But I'm almost ready to lay this shit, man. Keep it real. I just gotta degrease this bad boy. Got this bad boy looking pretty good. I'm going to take off these two vents. I'm going to shut this hose off. Go get a broom. So I sweep the roof off. Dry for a little bit. Then I'm going to take off them vents on the roof. It hasn't even been 10-15 minutes and the roof's already dry. Took all the screws out, which luckily didn't give me no problems. Ooh, look at that. At least they use butyl tape. Blank fluid. Alright, let me see what I can do with this. I'll clean it. A lot of work, guys. I got Jake up here having to join in. It's so much work. Yeah, it is. And it's getting there. Just gonna get all this rough stuff off. Got a pile going on. I'll be honest with you boys, man. This shit is giving us problems.
Yo, it is problematic.
This one's super tough. And
yo.
I think we'll handle it if we
play our cards right.
Ooh, almost lost a hand there.
I'm
drenching with sweat. Be careful, Jake. Don't pull up too much because that aluminum's pulling up and splitting. Out with the old. Now we're gonna clean this all up.
What is this? That's bubble gum?
Butyl tape. Now we're gonna clean this bad boy up like Betsy back there. Oh man, she's gonna be a while, so shut the camera off and hit you back in a few. Over here really giving her some TLC. He's throwing her. Tell him how.
I'm doing it.
He's doing it, and he wouldn't have it any other way, guys. When I first came over here with this project, Jake jumped up and said, yo, I'm gonna be the guy up on that roof helping you. Yeah, bullshit. I'm gonna be the guy to get that made, make sure that's nice and sealed.
Would I stab you in the face with this by accident?
Because he honestly cares about this camper.
Yeah, he does.
Here, it's killing us.
Yeah, it is.
This roof vent got silicone, everything on it. I even cleaned this one up back here. That one was nasty. These two are fine. I'm just gonna liquid EP. I'm just gonna put some of that self-seal, that decor self-lap and sealant on them bad boys. After I mineral spirit oil, after I put the roof off and dried off. Yeah. That's what we're doing, man. We got this side pretty much. It's pieced off and it's pretty wrecked. It's honestly trashed. Jacob helped me scrape this. He's doing a really good job.
Oh, I am, yo.
I'm gonna have to give him a raise.
A little raise, a little praise, you know.
Praise for that raise, boy. I picked up Jacob. I actually met Jacob in front of a Home Depot. He was looking for work.
No habla English.
He was looking for work, and I said, hey, buddy, got this RV I've been working on. You want to make $8 an hour? He said he'll do it for $6.50 because there was another guy there trying to tell me he'd do it for $7, and they bid on each other.
Big pimpin' George.
Alright guys, got that cleaned up pretty good. I'm gonna tape off the inside of here, sweep off the roof, re-spray it off, and then I'll start applying the stuff.
I threw the broom.
That's alright, the broom's right there. Jump down there.
Yeah, but then I ain't trying to blow out my knees.
Here, I'll jump down there and I'll give you the broom, you sweep off. Roof, taped up the roof back and same at the front, and the roof's pretty much dry. Got it pretty much as best as I can, man. Been working on it for like 3-4 hours, 5 hours. Me and Jake just prepping it, so. You know, I'm using a liquid EPDM. It says metal on the jar. A lot of people say don't use them on aluminum roofs, but I already bought it, and I paid a nice amount of money, $250, maybe even more, $280 or something. But we're gonna mix up the catalyst. Got the roof prepped, taped up the front. I'm waiting for my 2 new vents to come in. I'm hoping I can run right to Home Depot and pick one of these up this size. If not, I'm sure I can bend this back into place, but I mean.
Oh, baby. The way you shake it, I can't believe it. I ain't never seen a ass like that. The way you move it, you make my PB go. Doing, doing, doing.